Alright, now I'm going to show to you how to find mean, median, and mode using Excel. So this is the example that we have here. Closing stock prices in Maybank, Public Bank Berhad, Hong Leong Bank, RHB Bank, Affin Bank, and also CIMB Bank. So now we try to find mean, median, and mode for Maybank, right? So mean, okay, so how to find mean, right? So we type equal sign and average bracket, and we choose the data range. For example, here we're going to choose Maybank, the data range here, and then enter. So we got this 9.8675, the mean for the closing stock prices in Maybank. So we move to median. Okay, so it's very simple. Equal sign, type median, bracket, and we choose data range. Enter. So the median is 9.85, and the last one is mode. Equal sign, and then mode, bracket, choose the data range, enter. So the mode is 9.85. So it's very simple. I'm sure all of you can do this. And I want you to do for the other bank here, Public Bank Berhad, Hong Leong Bank, RHB Bank, Affin, and also CIMB Bank. Right? Thank you.